of Rabindranath Tagore, Walk Alone. We present the poem Walk Alone written by Rabindranath Tagore. If they answer not to your call, walk alone. If they are afraid and cover, mutually facing the wall. Oh, thou unlucky one, open your mind and speak out alone. If they turn away and desert you when crossing the wilderness. Oh, thou unlucky one, trample the thorns under thy treads, and along the blood line track travel alone. If they shut door and do not hold up the light when the night is troubled with storm, O thou unlucky one, with the thunder flame of plain ignite your own heart and let it burn alone.